Okay, so today we're making an old-fashioned banana milkshake. So you need one really ripe banana. So I have that here. And you're just going to slice it, and then you're going to keep 2 slices for garnish. So that's what I'm setting aside over there. And I will post this recipe down below in the video's description box for you. Okay, let me just grab my blender. And that goes. And we're going to add the milk. And you can use whatever kind of milk you want. I'm just using 2%. Okay, let me scoop the ice cream. So Dan's going to scoop the ice cream because it's still a little hard. And it doesn't say what flavor of ice cream to use, so I'm using chocolate, but you can use whatever flavor you like. And it says if you didn't want to use ice cream, you could use ice milk. So I'm not sure if that's just milk with ice in it. I don't know. But if you know what ice milk is, please comment.
It's about a cup.
Yeah, and then just put it says like about 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon, so just sprinkle some cinnamon in there. Not too much. A little bit more. There you go. Okay, so let's blend this. And my blender is over here. And I will mute that for you guys so you don't have to hear it. Put that back in the freezer.
Is this the freezer?
Yes, so you know, Dan. God. Now you gotta garnish the rim of the glass with those banana slices. So today is National Banana Day. Did you know that, Dan? Well, today isn't. This is Sunday. National Banana Day, I believe, is the 13th, which is Wednesday. And that's when we'll put this video out on Instagram and on YouTube. Both underneath the handle Taste So Much.
I didn't know you had an Instagram.
I do, but I don't really know how to use it.
Is that going for the big pour?
Don't make the big mess.
Oh, yeah. Tastes like chocolate malt.
Can you taste the banana?
No.
Really?
I didn't taste the cinnamon.
Oh, that's delicious. Yeah, you can taste the banana. Ow.
Okay. Maybe you have more refined taste than me.
No, you can taste the banana, but that's really, really good. That'd be good with...
You have your own.
I know, but I have to take a picture of it. That's good with chocolate ice cream, vanilla ice cream with caramel in it, like a waffle cone ice cream. I almost got that.
Waffle cone.
Tillamook has like a waffle cone one that has chocolate and caramel in it. I almost got that one. I was like, oh,
Waffle
yeah,
cone's
but I kept
pretty
it simple. That's delicious.
Yeah, it's good.
What a perfect way to celebrate National Banana Day.
Happy Banana Day.
Happy Banana Day. All right. Oh, and this recipe comes from... I get my paw over here. Here, Dan, photograph or film. This recipe comes from this book, the women's, what the heck is it
That's seen
called?
better days.
That's Seen Better Days. I don't even know where I got this book from. I think I got it from
I think you got it
Tess.
from Jenny.
No, I didn't get it from Jenny. The Women's Day Collector's Cookbook, which is from 1973. So there you go. And so we wanted to make a banana recipe. So they had the banana, this recipe is called banana frosted, but it's a milkshake. Banana frosted milkshake. So apparently this is 2 servings, and the recipe, again, if I didn't say this, will be down below in the video's description box for you. Yeah, customizable and delicious. What are you doing? What are you laughing at? Okay, so if you guys like this recipe and you want to see more vintage recipes, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and then let me know what you'd like to see in the comments. All right? I hope to see you guys in the next video. Dan, you're making me nervous. Bye, everybody.
Happy Banana Day.
Bye.